Hello everyone and welcome back. So you're trying to pick between Sourcetable and Excel. Let me break this down for you in simple terms. Excel is the classic spreadsheet we all know. You get rows, columns, formulas, and pivot tables. The new versions have AI features with Copilot, and you can ask it to create charts, clean data, and write formulas using plain English. Excel works offline, which is great. It handles big files well, and if you already know Excel, there's no learning curve. Plus, if you have Microsoft 365, you already have it. But Excel still needs you to know how it works. You need to understand formulas and functions, and it's powerful, but it can be a lot. Sourcetable takes a different approach. Think of it as an AI-first spreadsheet. You literally just talk to it, no formulas to remember, no menus to dig through. Want to connect your data from Google Ads, Salesforce, or your database? Sourcetable does it live. Your spreadsheet updates automatically as your data changes in real time. Excel needs you to import and refresh manually. The AI can build entire financial models, create reports, and clean messy data just by chatting with it. It's like having a data analyst on demand. Sourcetable also handles way bigger datasets without crashing. It runs in the cloud, so you're not limited by your computer's power. Now, the price difference. Excel comes with Microsoft 365, which starts at around $20 a month. Sourcetable has a free plan with limited AI messages. The Pro plan is also $20 per month for 500 AI messages. The Max plan is $200 monthly for unlimited AI use. Bottom line, if you're already comfortable with Excel and don't need live data connections, stick with Excel. It works great for traditional spreadsheet tasks and standard analysis. But if you work with data from multiple sources, want AI to do the heavy lifting, or just hate writing formulas, Sourcetable is worth trying. It's faster for data analysis and reporting, especially if you're not a spreadsheet expert. Try the free version and see if it fits your workflow. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.